I'm playing all around with the control board on the TS-430S, and as you can see we've got the display up, but it is disappearing. I'm in the lower sideband mode and have got an antenna plugged into it, and with the volume up full we're getting some audio coming through, and there's signal indication consistent of 80 metres of an evening, but no signals heard, and the display is disappearing as quickly as it turns up as well. And I'm loosening the screws. I'm going through the 27 or so connectors on this board. One thing I did notice though is the master frequency oscillator that is unplugged at the moment. As soon as I plug that back in, and we're going to just down here, you can see I'll plug him back in. PLL straight out of lock, and our audio disappears. So some progress, I suppose. Plenty to do though.